If you are getting Roblox error 600 saying you created or used an account to avoid an enforcement action, don't panic. This is usually an experience level ban, not a full Roblox ban. These fixes come from the Roblox support info, Reddit discussion, and real players' comments. First, understand the problem. Error 600 usually means the game creator or their system blocked your account from that specific experience. You can still play other Roblox games normally. Now important, don't keep making new alternate accounts. Many users on Reddit say this can trigger more accounts evasion flag and make things worse. Next, clear Roblox cache and cookies. Press Windows plus R and type %local app data %, open the Roblox folder, delete cache and log folders, then open your browser settings, go to privacy, cookie and clear Roblox cookie. This helps remove stuck login or session data for some users. Still getting the error? Try changing networks. Turn off Wi-Fi and connect using mobile hotspot or restart your router and reconnect. Many players use this test to check if the restriction is tied to their current network. Last and most important fix, appeal to the game developer. Go to the game page, check their Discord community page or support links, explain your situation and ask for an appeal. This is the biggest fix because error 600 is handled by the experienced creator, not Roblox support. Some players on Reddit were unbanned after contacting Game Appeal and explaining false positives. Try this one by one and remember, error 600 is usually about that specific game, not your entire Roblox account. Bye bye.